Venus is the second closest planet to Sun. Mercury is the closest to Sun. Despite Mercury being the closest planet to the Sun, Venus is much hotter than Mercury. In fact, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system with an average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius. Mercury has a surface temperature that ranges from -173 degrees Celsius to 427 degrees Celsius. So why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Let's find out. The primary reason that Venus is hotter than Mercury is due to its thick atmosphere. Venus has an atmosphere that is about 90 times denser than Earth's atmosphere, and it is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and sulfuric acid. When sunlight enters Venus's atmosphere, the thick layer of carbon dioxide traps the heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, which causes the planet to become incredibly hot. As the Venus's atmosphere contains sulfuric acid, it rains acid on Venus. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that occurs on Earth, where certain gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun, keeping the planet warm. However, on Venus, the greenhouse effect is much more extreme, causing temperatures to skyrocket. The atmosphere on Venus is so thick that it can trap more heat than on any other planet in our solar system. This is what makes Venus hotter than Mercury. In contrast, Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, which means that it is unable to retain heat in the same way that Venus can. Despite being closer to the Sun, Mercury has a lower average temperature than Venus because its atmosphere is so thin that it cannot trap heat effectively. The lack of an atmosphere on Mercury also means that there is no way to distribute heat evenly across the planet, resulting in temperature fluctuations of over 600 degrees Celsius between its day and night sides. Another reason Venus is hotter than Mercury is due to its slow rotation. Venus rotates very slowly, taking 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. The slow rotation means that there is less mixing of the atmosphere, allowing heat to accumulate and making the planet even hotter. On the other hand, Mercury rotates very quickly, completing one rotation on its axis every 59 Earth days. This fast rotation means that the temperature on the planet's surface fluctuates rapidly, with the day side of the planet being incredibly hot and the night side being extremely cold. In addition to its thick atmosphere and slow rotation, Venus also has other factors that contribute to its extreme heat. For example, the planet has a very dense core, which produces a significant amount of heat. The heat from the planet's core is transferred to its surface through convection, contributing to its overall temperature. Additionally, Venus's proximity to the Sun means that it receives a lot of solar radiation, which further contributes to its high temperature. I hope you guys now know why Venus is hotter than Mercury. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. This will help me a lot. I'll be posting more amazing stuff on my channel. See you soon.